Looking to streamline your payment process on Paymattic but not sure where to start? Say no more. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through adding payment item fields to your payment form effortlessly. Let's dive in. So we'll start by taking a blank form, and let's begin with adding some general fields like name, email, or any other fields that you might need. So over here, we have a few fields taken. So now let's go for the main one, the payment item field. Let's go for this. All right. So as you can see, it has a very generic name. So let's change this name. All right. So the name is set. All right. Let's check out the settings. So over here, you can see the first button is the required button. If you want to make this field required for your customers, you have to go ahead and press enable. All right. So the next one is enable image. If you want your form to look a bit fancy, you can go ahead and enable this field to add some images. Okay, let's move on to the next one, the payment selection option. So there are three options in front of us: single item, choose one for multiple item, and choose multiple items. The single item is set by default, but if you want to go for the multiple items, you can choose from either one of these. So for today, let's go for choose multiple items. All right, so over here, we can see a box which says photo, item name, item price. So it's very obvious that it's for your products. So let's go ahead and add a picture for our product. All right, let's go for one. Okay. So as you can see, we have this one, name it watch, and we can set an item price according to our store. So let's go for this amount. All right, so our first product is set. So just like this, you can set the second product. Let's quickly do it. All right, so let's set the name and set the price. And that's done. That's how easily you can add the products. So over here, we can see that it's all set. If you want to delete any of the products, just go ahead and press over here to delete it. But we're just going to go ahead and add it back. All right, so that's done. So we're going to go ahead and update it. But if you had to choose for the second option, which one, choose one for multiple item, if you had to choose that, there would be another option that comes up, which is the display type. So from here, you can select any one of those. But as we chose the choose multiple items, we won't be having this option. All right, so let's go ahead and update this. And it's set. So let's go ahead and check it out from the front end view. All right. So that's how it looks from the front end view. As you can see, you can easily just choose one or choose the second one, as we chose the choose multiple options. So that's done. You can just go ahead and submit, and that's all. So that's how you add the payment item fields in your Paymattic payment form. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now go harness the full potential of Paymattic and kickstart your shopping extravaganza. Get ready to sell like never before.